Okay, would you please introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Mary Jane Borromeo. I am 41 years old, graduate of vocational course in Electronics Communication Engineering Technology. I have a live-in partner and a 14 years old daughter. I have one brother, five sisters. I am the sixth child in the family.
Okay, so do you have experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I
Where?
work in Taiwan and Hong Kong. I work in Taiwan for 2 years as a caretaker.
Okay, so what are your duties and responsibilities in Taiwan?
My main duties is to take care of the sick elderly, assist the 9-year-old daughter, and doing the household chores like cooking, doing the laundry, cleaning the house.
Okay, how many are they in the family?
There are 4 members in the family.
So, how about in Hong Kong? How long did you work in Hong Kong?
I work in Hong Kong for only 6 months because I got an allergy in the chemicals.
Okay, so have you break the contract, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what are your duties and responsibilities in Hong Kong?
My main duties is to take care of the 5-month-old baby and the 2-year-old son of my employer, and to do the household work as well.
Okay, how many are they in the family?
There are 5 members in the family.
Okay, so what do you prefer to take care, newborn or children?
I prefer to take care of the children.
Children. So, if your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with babies, children, and elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with another helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you willing to take care of disabled?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
drink alcohol or smoke regularly?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat pork?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have vision problems?
No, ma'am.
Do you have hold certificate like first aid, caregiver, nurse, and babysitter?
No, ma'am.
Have you any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever involved in any criminal labor police cases?
No, ma'am.
So why do you want to work again in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to save money and to give my daughter a better future.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.